Dear students, before watching this video, please do watch addition of vectors part 1. I strongly recommend you to watch that video first and then come to this video. So in this video, we will be covering some very important points, that is how to find the vector equation of a line passing through A. Okay, I'll use the highlighter, passing through A and parallel to B, right? So first it is passing through A and parallel to B. For that, the equation is R bar is equals to A bar plus TB bar. I hope you understood this. Now the vector equation of a line passing through 2 points A and B. So the difference between the previous point and this point is, previous point it is passing through A and parallel to B. And in this point it is passing through A as well as B, right? So that equation is R bar is equals to 1 minus T times A plus TB. Okay, so here we should be writing TB bar. And T belongs to R, okay? And next vector equation. So these are the vector equations of a line, okay? Line. Now we will try to write the vector equation of a plane passing through A and parallel to B and C. Okay, passing through A and parallel to B and C, it is R bar is equals to A bar plus TB bar plus SC bar. So you just observe the first point. For the first point, you just add SC bar. We will get the third point. Okay, A bar plus, that's how we can remember it. Although that is not the logical explanation, but you can remember it like that. R bar is equals to A bar plus TB bar plus SC bar. Once again, I remind you that this is a vector equation of a plane passing through A and parallel to B and C. Now, vector equation of a plane passing through A and B and parallel to C is of this form. R bar is equals to 1 minus T times A bar plus TB bar plus SC bar. Yes, you guessed this. Yes, you guessed it right. Add SC bar for the second point. We will be getting fourth point, right? And fifth point is vector equation of a plane passing through 3 points A, B and A bar, B bar and C bar, 3 non-collinear points as such, is R bar is equals to 1 minus T minus SA bar plus TB bar plus SC bar, where T comma S belongs to R, right? So now let us solve the first question. First question says, show that the line joining the pair of points 6A bar minus 4B bar plus 4C bar and minus 4C bar, and the line joining the pair of points is intersect the point, right? So the first thing is we need to find the line joining the pair of points. So he has given 2 points. Let us say X bar is 1 point, which is 6A bar minus 4B bar plus 4C bar, and next Y bar is another point, which is minus 4C bar. So so it is a line, right? So we need to use either the first point or the second point. Which shall we use? See, we need to find the line joining the pair of points. 2 points are given, so we will be using this equation, that is 1 minus T times A plus TB. So here R bar will be 1 minus T times X bar plus T times Y bar, where T belongs to R. This is, R means real numbers. T can take any real number. So that it is 1 minus T times X bar. What is X bar? 6A bar minus 4B bar plus 4C bar, and Y bar is minus 4C bar. I hope you understood this, right? So this should be clear. So then now we shall do one thing. We will separate A bar. So A bar into what will be the coefficient of that? That will be 6 minus 60. And then B bar, we shall write B bar into minus 4 plus 4T. Dear students, please make an observation here. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 into minus T is plus 4T. And C bar into, we shall write 4 minus 4T, 4 minus 4T, and C bar into minus 40. So once again minus 40. So ultimately we get A bar into 6 minus 60 plus B bar into 4T minus 4 plus C bar into, we get 4 minus 8T. This is the first equation. Now second part is vector equation of a line joining the pair of points, this as well as this. So again we can write R bar is equals to, directly I'll be writing now. Since we have already used T, we shall use another variable. Let us say lambda. Okay, 1 minus lambda into, here we can write, now this is the first point, no, that is minus A bar minus 2B bar minus 3C bar. Now plus lambda into this point, that is A bar plus 2B bar minus 5C bar, right? Once again let us write the coefficients of A bar. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus lambda is plus lambda, right? And 1 into lambda is plus lambda. So this is the coefficient of A bar. Now coefficient of B bar, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 2 into minus lambda is plus 2 lambda, and plus 2 into lambda is 2 lambda. And next C bar, we will write minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus 3 into minus 3 lambda is plus 3 lambda, minus 5 into lambda is minus 5 lambda. So once again if I write, this will be A bar into minus 1 plus 2 lambda plus B bar into minus 2 plus 4 lambda and plus C bar into minus 3 minus 2 lambda. I hope you understood this. Now this is equation 2. See, he is telling that these two lines intersect at the point minus 4c bar. Of course, A, B, C are non-coplanar vectors. Okay. That means if two lines meet, they will intersect at a point, let us say P. That means at that particular point, think about it, at point of intersection, coefficients of A bar, B bar and C bar from equation 1 and equation 2 should be equal, right? This is the condition. That means what is the coefficient of A bar in the first equation? It is 6 minus 60. And what is the coefficient of A bar in the second equation? It is minus 1 plus 2 lambda. So we should write 6 minus 60 from here. 6 minus 60 is equals to minus 1 plus 2 lambda. So this is one thing. So if I bring all the terms to the right hand side, I will get 2 lambda plus 60, minus 60 if it comes to the right hand side becomes plus 60, minus 1 and minus 6 should be minus 7. Right, let us say this is equation 3. Now we need to write a coefficient of B bar also. So that is 4t minus 4 here. And that is equals to minus 2 plus 4 lambda. Minus 2 plus 4 lambda. Let us bring all the terms to the right hand side. We get 4 lambda minus 4t, and minus 4 if it comes to the right hand side becomes plus 4. Plus 4 minus 2 is plus 2. Right, I hope this is clear. We can take 2 common from this equation. So 2 lambda minus 2t plus 1 equals to 0. So ultimately we can write this as 2 lambda minus 2t plus 1 equals to 0 if I send 2 to the right hand side. Let us say this is equation 4. Now we can solve equation 3 and 4 by elimination method. 2 lambda plus 6t minus 7 equals to 0. And next we have 2 lambda minus 2t plus 1 equals to 0. Subtract it. So this gets cancelled. 60 plus 2t is 80. See, whenever we have negative sign it becomes plus, and whenever we have plus sign it becomes minus. I hope you know this. So we get t is equals to 1. Once we get t equals to 1, let us replace. Now we need to just find the point of intersection, right? Let us take the equation 1. Substitute t equals to 1 in equation 1. What is equation 1? So I'll copy this. Equation 1 is this, right? Let me copy it. Let me paste it here. So this is equation 1. So if I replace t equals to 1 in this, we get A bar into 6 minus 6 plus B bar into 4 minus 4 plus C bar into 4 minus 8. So ultimately we get null vector. 6 minus 6 is 0, right? And we get here minus 4C vector. Hence, we get the point of intersection as minus 4C vector. I think that is what he's asking us. We need to show that they intersect at the point minus 4C, right? That's it. So we can say hence proved. Now let us go to the next question. It says, find the vector equation of a plane passing through points. Now here we need to find the vector equation of a plane passing through points. So he has given us 3 points. Let us say this is vector A, this is vector B, and this is vector C. So which formula shall we use here? Vector equation of a plane passing through 3 points A, B and C is r bar equals to 1 minus t minus s a bar plus t b bar plus s c bar. So we should be using this. So he's asking us to find the vector equation of a plane first. So first let us solve that part. R bar is equals to 1 minus t minus s into a bar plus t into b bar plus s into c bar. T comma s belongs to r. After this we need to show that this point lies in the plane. Fine. First let us find the equation of the plane passing through ABC. So we can write 1 minus t minus s into, instead of a bar we can write this, no? 4i cap minus 3j cap minus k cap plus, instead of b vector we can write 3i cap plus 7j cap minus 10k cap, and instead of c bar we can write 2i cap plus 5j cap minus 7k cap. This is c vector. So dear students, kindly pay attention, this will be confusing. So now coefficient of I is 4 multiplied with this, right? So let us separate I, j, k. Now what do we get here? 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into minus t is minus 4t, 4 into minus s is minus 4s. This is from the first bracket. And from here we get 3 into t is plus 3t. This is the coefficient of I. Again, from here we get 2 into s is plus 2s. Okay, this is s. This is not 5. So this is I bar. Now plus j bar into, again, minus 3 into 1 should be minus 3. Minus 3 into minus t is plus 3t. Minus 3 into minus s is plus 3s. Okay. And from here j bar coefficient is 7 into t. So plus 7t. and from the third bracket it is 5 into s, so it should be 5s. Okay, hope you understood this. Now plus k bar into, again, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into minus t is plus t, minus 1 into minus s is plus s, and from the second bracket we get coefficient of k bar is minus 10 into t, so we should write minus 10 t. Hope you understood this. And from the third bracket k bar coefficient is minus 7 into s, so we get minus 7s. Hope you understood this step, dear students. If you are getting confused, I would recommend you to multiply all the terms and then take I bar, separate I bar, j bar and k bar, you will get this. Okay, so anyways, now we will write this as minus 4t plus 3t is minus t, minus 4s plus 2s is minus s. Okay, this is s. And next minus 3 we can write as it is, plus 3t plus 7t is plus 10t, 3s plus 5s is 8s. Okay, and now next k bar we can write minus 1 as it is, t minus 10t is minus 9t, s minus 7s is minus 6s. Now we need to show that this is the equation of a plane. This is the required equation of plane. Okay, now we need to show that this point I plus 2j minus 3k lies in the plane. That means we need to show that I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap lies on the above plane. So dear students, think carefully. The coefficient of I is in the equation of plane is 4 minus t minus 2s. That should be equal to 1 if this point lies on the plane. Okay, that means 4 minus t minus 2s should be equals to 1. Not just that, coefficient of j is minus 3 plus 10t plus 8s should be equals to 2, right? So dear students, let us stop it. Let us just stop with this. Let us not compare the coefficient of k. That will be used for verification. Now take all the terms to the right hand side. We get t plus 2s. This becomes positive. This becomes positive. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 equals to 0. I hope you understood this. Now let us bring all the terms to the left hand side. We get here 10t plus 8s minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 equals to 0. Right? So from this equation A and this equation B, let us eliminate s. So for that we will multiply equation A with 4. So we get 4t plus 8s minus 3 into 4 is 12. And let us write down this equation, 10t plus 8s minus 5 equals to 0. Now subtract, this becomes minus, this becomes minus, this becomes plus. 4t minus 10t is minus 60. This gets cancelled. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. Yeah, so we get t is equals to minus 7 divided by 6 if I am right. So we can write minus 6 t is equals to 7, right? Yeah, t is equals to minus 7 by 6. Now once t is equals to minus 7 by 6, substitute this in equation A. What is equation A? T plus 2s minus 3 equals to 0. So replace t with minus 7 by 6. We get plus 2s minus 3. So 2s is equals to 3 plus 7 by 6. And 2s is equal to 6 into 3 is 18. 18 plus 7 is 25 by 6. So this is s, dear students. Don't get confused. Let me keep this symbol. S is equals to 25 divided by 12. I hope this is. So don't get confused with this, and this is 5. Okay, this is 5. S is 25 by 12. Now, what does the third equation imply? Third part. Coefficient of k bar is minus 1, minus 90, minus 6s. If this point lies in the plane, so this value should produce minus 3, right? This value should produce minus 3. Let us just check. Check the value of minus 1, minus 90, minus 6s, which will be equals to minus 1. What is the value of t? T is minus 7 by 6. And what is the value of s? That is 25 by 12. So from here we get minus 1, 9 into 7. So this we can write 3 and this we can write 2. Minus 3 into minus 7 is plus 21. And this is 6 times 2 is 12. So we get minus 1. 21 minus 25 is minus 4. Achha, this should be 2. I'm sorry. This should be 2. Now 21 minus 25 is minus 4 divided by 2. So minus 1. This should be 2 times. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Indeed, we got 3 as the answer. And this should be that means this point lies on the plane. Therefore, the point I plus 2j minus 3k lies on the above plane. This is the confirmation. Hence proved. So dear students, there are questions similar to this question and this question which are important. I would recommend all of you to kindly solve those questions also, so that you don't miss any mark from this topic, addition of vectors. Thank you for watching.